I recently realized I've never acknowledged here on YouTube why I've built a new quadcopter. Actually, it's an old frame with new parts. The short answer is reliability and smart hardware. I'll make consecutive videos explaining them. Today is GPS. I've armed the cord in manual mode. And you can see it is deflecting and manual movements are required. Now let's try the same thing in GPS Loiter mode. I've disarmed the cord. I've changed the mode to GPS Loiter. Let's arm the cord and let's fly it. I'll go a little bit left, and now it's all under its own control. I don't have to do a thing. You can see how quickly he is adjusting to the environment and the wind.